In this video, I'm going to be taking you through two different looks using Kiro beauty products. One is a nude look every day and the other one will transit to a glam look using just a few more products to just be ready to party. And I've been using Kiro beauty and I can tell you a quick way of making it work because I love my makeup done quick no matter what the look is. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and I welcome you back to JoyGeeks. This is where I create beauty and wellness content, tons of fashion content of late as well, which I'm glad you're loving. Now this video is a makeup tutorial which is going to feature a nude everyday look and transit to a night look like I said. And I'm going to be using Kiro beauty products because I have been exploring it and there's something very special in it which I will just share with you in a bit. I have kept a very bare face. It's just a very little natural foundation. I just have my eyebrows on and I will be adding on everything as I speak. To begin with, Kiro Beauty is a vegan brand, cruelty-free brand and paraben-free, and I believe from my usage from the products that it doesn't dry up the skin, it is skin care infused. So I think I like how mindfully the products have been created, because when you're able to use products and not worry about how it will damage my skin, I think it only works better. First off, this brand Kiro has a very distinct packaging. I love how this comes in all of their packaging that you see. It does stand out in my vanity and I will take you through more of it. But you can see this will definitely stand out for you as well. Kiro is a different sounding name as well, which does kind of ring a bell once you start using it. So like you can see, I don't have too much going on my face. It's a nude look that I'm going for. And the first thing I want to show you is this wonderful high def soothing eyeliner pencil from Kiro. It's a beautiful brown color pencil. It's called 02 Earth Brown. Let me show you a swatch here first for you to see the color. This is the color it has, which I love personally because it is that kind of a dark brown color which is not too striking. At the same time, it doesn't just not show up on the eye. This is what the pencil looks like. It's a very sleek pencil. You can twist it up all the way and bring it back, so that's nice. Now I'm going to show you what it does for my eyes. I can just take it close to my eyelids and I don't even need to be too precise. If you want, you can extend it to make a little wing that I like. Small wing. This is just a line that I have put. You can see the difference between both my eyelids. Now I did this in one eye. If you want to leave it without any shine on your eyelids, you could do this. But for a slightly fun look even during the day, we could use this Kiro long wear brightening eyeshadow stick in the shade 01 Peachy Gold. It's a wonderful shade which does blend well if you move it immediately, and let me tell you, look how beautifully it's blended. Now if I use this and do not touch it for a bit, you will see that it also really gets locked in place, which I thought was quite fascinating. Okay, now you see this, I'm not touching it for just a few seconds, and this section is where I blended it, and here if I move this now, this is already sealed. Can you see it's not blending as well? So which is nice, once you blend it, it's going to stay in place. So even within the new day look, I wanted to show you an eyelid without any crayon, and now I'll apply the crayon and go with the color again on it. So this is also very easy to use. Just put it all over the eyelid and just using my fingertips, I'm able to blend it off, which is wonderful because I don't want to spend too much time with brushes. Then you see this is such a natural sheen on my eyelid, which I like. You can see the difference between both my eyelids. Can you see? I love this look, and then I can go on to add the brown eyeliner here as well. So now that I showed you this, I will put this here as well. This peachy gold is a very, very complimentary color, I think, for brown skin tone when you want a little shine. Now you see I have very little natural sheen on my eye, just like I love it. I'm going to go ahead and use the brown on both the eyelids. Okay, on the other eyelids. Very easy to use. Here you go. My eyes are pretty much done with some very basic stuff on the eye with just 2 products. In addition to this, I think what I would also do is take this and use it in my lower line very lightly. A wee bit of line that I don't mind for day. This is just a little eyeshadow stick and the brown liner, which I really love. Now I'll show you what I do with highlighter for the day. They have this wonderful highlighter with 2 shades. This is Sandy Rose and Pearly Bronze in 01. You can see it has 2 shades. I will probably use the darker one in the day. Okay, because this is closer to my skin tone. So this will make it look more natural. I will just swatch this for you. It will just blend in with my skin beautifully. Can you see that? It's going to look like I have glow from within. So let me just take a little of this, take off the excess, and can you see it's just so perfect for my skin tone. I am a pretty brown skin, and in addition to this, what I will do is I will just take it and just do a little brush on the rest of my eyelids. I find that it just merges the entire sheen on the face very well. Okay, I'm going to go on with this on the other side. You know, one of the best things I also find about Kiro products is that I don't find a lot of powder flying around, and therefore I also know that it's not going to look very chalky on my face. So that is already a great bonus. This is, can you see that glow? It's very natural, perfect for a nude look. Now I will go ahead and I will add the blush. Again, in the blush they have 2 shades. This is Cool Cinnamon and Fresh Grapefruit. I will use the brownish shade for the day, and I will use a brighter shade for night, okay, because I don't want it to show up so much, although some may think the dark one is going to show up some more. I think I'm going to do it this way. It is still very natural looking. I have blush on both the sides, and I like this little color because I don't have too much color on my face. Even my eyelids are really natural, so I like this little color on my cheek. And I am going to now really bring this look together with this wonderful lip shade they have. This is a shade called Nutmeg Nude, and I will just show you a swatch of this. What a beautiful color. It is a not an all-out brown, a more solid pink. I really like this shade, and I'm going to show this to you on my lip right now. Such a natural, pretty daytime nude look. I love how this has come about, because I can walk out of the door and go anywhere wearing this without feeling like I've done too much. But at the same time, I feel happy about, you know, just taking care of my skin with some really nice products for the face, which blend well, which work very well for my skin tone. Before I forget, I hope I told you how moisturizing this lipstick is. I love these Kiro Beauty Airy Matte Lipstick. These are the non-stop airy matte liquid lip, and I love this formula, I must tell you. It has avocado oil, apricot oil, whatever it has, it is just really good for the lip. Now, from this look, I want to go into a glam look, maybe after doing all my day's errands or going to my kids' school or doing some meetings. I would like to glam this up for the night when I meet my friends. So I'm going to take you through again just a few more products. I'm going to add to the existing one to make it like a boom kind of a look. Alright, first things first, I want to attack the eyes. So I had used that one crayon color. I'm going to use another eyeshadow stick in the shade Nude Pearl, and I will show you what this swatch is like. This is a lighter shade and will look brighter on the eyes. Can you see? And if I move this around here, how beautifully it blends. So now I already have this eyeshadow, which is very natural for me. I'm just going to add a little bit of this just at the beginning of it. Okay, right on top of this. I just want to brighten up this section. You can see the difference. This is not as bright. You can see the brightness here. So let me do this here as well, just brightening my inner corner. The eyeshadow stick that I had used for the daytime is already there. I don't mind for it to just stay there, or I could add this a little more throughout. You can see it's brightened up my eyelids a lot more. I'm going to use another shade as well with this, which is a shade called Sandy Copper N02. It's a dark brown shade. It's this dark brown with this beautiful sheen, which when I merge off, it's blending off so beautifully. I could use this just on the edges, or I would like to make my eyelids, you know, the line of it a bit shiny. Just blending it off. Okay, I've just put a little bit of the brown one on the edges, and you can see the difference this is making. Just remember, you need to blend it immediately because otherwise it'll get set. I've applied this on this side as well. Now I can go back to that shade and add a bit more of it to kind of blend it out a bit. So I'm going to take the shade that I took in the morning, which is Peachy Gold. I'm going to go on with Kiro Waterproof Soft Matte Eyeliner Pen, and this is in the shade Carbon Black 01. This again is a very easy to use product. I'll just show you a little swatch. It's a nice black and I can create the look I want. So I'm going to go a little dramatic today, which I don't normally do. I will line it and give a wing. My mirror is so far, but not bad. My wing has come out pretty okay. I have made my wing for both the eyes. I really like how stark black this eyeliner is. The tip really helps to make the wing as well. I'm liking this. Now if I wish, which I do wish, I want to kind of bring that to my lower eyelids as well. I'm going to darken this. Even though it's a brown, I want a soft diffuse look. I'll just pull it up a bit to, you know, kind of join it with the black line. I'm loving this. Now that I'm done with all of these wonderful stuff on my eyes, I want to go and make my cheeks come alive. Okay, let's go with a blush. I'm going to go with a brighter blush. This is the brighter shade I'm using for the night. You could see what works for you. This is how I wanted to do it because this color is going to really pop, I feel. So yeah, it's a beautiful peachy pink that looks really nice and bright. Moving on to the highlighter, this is Sandy Rose and Pearly Bronze. What I used in the daytime was this shade. Now I will go slightly brighter because it's the night time and I think I can glow a bit more. Can you see? In fact, I'm shooting at a time when also it's turning into evening from daylight, so you will be able to see the colors also little differently. Now the same thing that I did in the morning, I'll just take this and just put this all over my, and just let it run past. Top part of my eyelids are not left bare. I want you to take note of this look with the same nude lip color, because I think with just the eyes done itself, my face is totally looking different and ready to party. But I will push it a notch further and use a bright red lipstick that I absolutely love, and you will see the whole change. Okay, so this shade that I'm going to use is from their non-stop airy one. This is called Fury Ruby 02. It's a bright red. I will just swatch it for you. And then of course I will show it to you on my lips. It's a nice red. Change of the color is coming up now. Ta-da! This is what this is looking like with a red lipstick. I'm loving how this look has turned out. I love how all the colors have blended in beautifully. I could top over with the eyeshadow sticks, 3 different ones that I used, and the black eyeliner was lovely too. I like that Kiro is a skincare infused brand because I can see that on my cheek it is not looking powdery. I'm not feeling the need for that spray that I normally use because I want all the powders to blend together. They're all beautifully blending in, and I think they've made it very user friendly because even the eyeliner is retractable, the eyeshadow sticks are retractable, the lipsticks are super comfortable on the lips, and even the blush have 2 shades. So I can just go with one in the day and my makeup pouch can be really small. I'm loving all of these aspects. I am beyond thrilled that the way I planned to shoot this was that in the daytime I had a lot more natural light, and in the night time now you can see the lighting has changed. So it gives you a really good idea how this makeup would look in the night, and I love the look. Tell me what you think about it. I would love to hear from you. What are the other kind of makeup tutorials you want me to feature? Because I know the nude makeup look is something we all love, something that we can all do, something that doesn't take time. These are the things that really matter to me when I'm creating a look, when I'm using makeup. As much as I love makeup, I do not have so much time to sit for an hour and a half to do extensive makeup. So when this kind of products I use and it gets my job done quickly, I'm beyond thrilled. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. It just takes a second. It doesn't cost you anything. Please do subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you do not miss a future post. I would love to hear your comments, and I always love to interact with you in the comment section. So go right now, comment with your favorite aspect of this video or what you have planned for the festive occasions. All right, see you.